Yo, what's up, brother? Today I want to talk to you about mindset and why is it important to be successful in sex and tantra. And a major part of it, I will be talking about porn addiction, and why it doesn't really help us, how to come out of it. Not just in a way like, oh, just stop porn is bad. Actually, the golden key here is to love something else instead of doing that what you're doing already. It's like this, like imagine you're smoking cigarettes and you want to quit smoking. Let's say you quit it. Okay, it's fine, it's going well. But after some time, you have a big tendency to go back there if you don't put something else in its place. Like these kind of addictions, they occupy a certain space in our body, in our system. And when you get rid of it, you need to fill that gap with something else, something more positive, right? So, how to come out of porn addiction? You need to love the other way of making love, the other way of living, the way of touching a woman, being fully present with her, and having amazingly unique experiences and unique sensations and unique ways of fucking each other, basically, which 90% of the time doesn't exist on porn. Okay, so the porn world is something that is made up. It's an illusion. It's not reality, right? You're looking at a screen, and what you see or hear triggers something in your brain and your hormonal system, and something happens, and then you masturbate, you ejaculate or not, doesn't matter. But it's not real. It's fake. And so what happens is that if you digest this hyper reality, a simulation, it's a simulation, right? And when you come to the real sex, that simulation will be running your system. You're like kind of hacked by the porn robots, and this is how our society is weakened, how we are becoming weak men, like the porn addiction. And women are not happy with that too. And they are left with only two choices, either to go with the flow and, okay, this is the way to have fun and this is the way to have sex. This is good quality alpha sex, and let me just copy and paste what I saw or what guys teach me from porn, and they're also becoming fake. And that's why they don't have orgasm, some of them. Because it's all becoming something like a play. You're like a drama, you're doing an act on the stage. But it's totally natural. This is how we have been evolving. Like, sex is the way we are here. It's because of sex we are here, right? Your parents had sex and you're here today. So it's very, very natural, and the Tantra is all about going into that naturality with full awareness and consciousness, with full presence. So that's why it's really helpful if you get rid of all those images and videos and delete them from your laptop or whatever, delete them from your bookmarks, these websites, and also get rid of them from your brain. Today, also, even I think Instagram is becoming a kind of soft porn thing, and we get used to looking at beautiful girls and videos and what they are sharing, or this nice dress, and they fill up our mind and our visual cortexes, So, and when you're so much filled with these things, when you have a real intimacy, you can have all kinds of problems, and sometimes premature ejaculation is because of that, because you're not connected with your body. You're watching movies in your mind. Again, I'm telling you, it's not reality, okay? So you're living in an unreal world. So when it comes to reality, you can't do much about it, okay? So another part of mindset is no ejaculation unless it's really, really unavoidable. Oh, okay, like this is the time that to ejaculate, but don't ejaculate every time. If you can come out of sex without ejaculation, it will magnify your energy so much. You will feel so magnetic and so powerful. And it's like you can go and conquer the world, like you will have so much power. And if you do it over and over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 times, according to some ancient Taoist masters, if you reach to the point where you had sex for 9 times and you didn't ejaculate, you reach immortality. You will become so happy and healthy. Like at each of these steps, there is something that is coming to you as amazing benefit. So, okay, I'm not saying don't ejaculate ever as like a rule, and like I'm not shaming you or something like that, but take it as a mindset that If you can skip ejaculation at sex, that's wonderful. And if you have so much pleasure during masturbation, like, why do you have to ejaculate? Think about it. Like, you just feel lousy, and like the next day, like a couple of days, if you ejaculate too often, actually you're wasting your life. You're wasting your life energy. You're wasting your brain power. So this is the mindset, like you're kind of like a warrior, like a hero. In Tantra, the guys are called heroes, actually. We are Viras. And we are on a hero's journey. We are trying to transform our body, transform our sexuality by certain willpower and mindset. Okay, like, this is beneficial for me. I'm doing sperm economy, so I will last longer, not only in sex, but also in life. Like, I'm not going to get old very quickly. It's an anti-aging strategy. And the second part is, of course, what I already told, like, come to reality. No porn, no Instagram, not so much fantasizing and imagination. Of course, if you have some dark fantasies, it's great to go into them and manifest them, but don't be scared. Just do it then, like, don't live in your little scary world, like, go out there and talk to your girlfriend. Hey, I want to realize this fantasy with you. Like, will you be my dom today? Or will you be my submissive slave, sex slave? I want you to be my sex slave. And just do it, like, it's also very good. Then you will come out of these fantasies, and after some time you will satisfy them, and you will be more free. And then it will be amazingly deep experience. It's like God and Goddess coming together, because there's all these mental conditionings are layer by layer getting off, they're peeled off. So what is left is reality. And it's so beautiful. The reality is so beautiful. I hope you can take something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.